Hey guys, thank you for stopping by for another one of my detailing videos. My name is Tony from Tony's Professional Touch, based out of San Diego, California. And in today's video, we're gonna be talking about my 2022 updated pricing and packages. So let's get right into it.
So, what's the first package you want to talk about, Tony?
So our first entry-level package is our mini detail, which used to be $80, but now we bumped it up to $100.
How did you decide that pricing? Why 20? Why not like 30, 50, or even $10?
Just to keep it at a flat 100.
What does that include for people that don't know?
So our mini detail includes a detailed foam wash, mini interior detail, and spray wax.
And how long would that usually take you?
Usually around an hour to 2 hours, depending on the size of the vehicle and condition.
Got it. And then above that, you got
Our level 1.
level 1.
So our level 1 is our clean and seal. That used to be $200, and now we're bumped it up to starting at $250.
What does it consist of?
So that's a detailed foam wash, mini interior detail, clay treatment, iron removal, and a paint sealant, and then trim condition as well.
Got it. Why did you raise this from $50? Because it was, how much was it before? How much is it?
It started at $200, and now it starts at $250.
Yeah. Why $50?
It gives us a little bit of an extra timing to take a little bit longer on the vehicle, just in case we need to give it a little bit better detail.
Got it. Above that, you got your level 2.
Yeah, our level 2, that's our paint enhancement package. So that one starts at $600. It used to start at $500. We bumped it up $100. So that one includes a detailed foam wash, mini interior detail, clay treatment, iron removal, and a one-step correction, and then the paint sealant.
Got it. And I know you have a level 3.
Yeah, our level 3.
Are you raising that one?
We kept it pretty much the same price, starting at $1450. So that's like the full works, or full paint correction ceramic coating package. So that's the full prep, detailed foam wash, interior detail, clay treatment, iron removal, engine bay detail as well included, and then our full paint correction, as many steps as it takes to get a 90% or better paint finish, and then a 3-year ceramic coating.
Out of all of those, which one do you enjoy doing the most?
Out of all those, probably the level 2s and level 3s. They give the best satisfaction for the clients and myself.
Now, I noticed that, do you have a website?
Yes and no, it's not done yet. I still gotta finish it.
All right, because you were saying that you were updating your listings on Square.
Yeah.
How does that work?
So I have to update all the packages, services, and clients on there. So I gotta add them all in. That way I can start booking them through that website. Because right now we're still booking through Setmore, but I'm planning on switching everything to Square to make it easier on my clients and myself. And also Square, another bonus from Square is that we can accept debit cards and credit cards from them. And then invoices, receipts, all that can be with Square, and then we don't have to use a bunch of different apps for one thing.
So pretty much before you used to use Venmo, Cash App, this and that.
Which we still will be accepting, but now we also have Square available, where in case a client wants to use their credit card or debit card, we have that available for them.
Hey, did you used to have a lot of customers that wanted to pay with credit cards?
I used to have a few. They would always ask, because you can get percentages back, cash back type of things.
All right, so another thing is, when are you gonna start implementing these prices?
Now.
To everybody?
For all new clients. For our old maintenance clients, we're still honoring our old prices for them.
But everybody new.
It's gonna get the updated pricing.
All right. And have you been telling customers the new prices?
Yeah, we just let them know that we're raising it. I haven't posted the prices yet, but I'll be doing that soon.
What do you think? What do you think your customers are gonna say? The new ones, bro, that's too much, or?
No, I don't think so, because I feel like a lot of other businesses and detailers are raising up their prices as well. And where I see my prices, it's very comparable to my area and everyone else around California and stuff. So I don't think I'm overcharging or anything.
And why did you decide to raise your prices?
Fees from Square is one of the reasons. And another reason would be everything has gone up in price. Our cost to operate has gone up. And then also, I'm trying to hire employees, so to be able to give them a good pay, I have to get money for the business. So yeah, basically those 3 reasons.
I got you, Tony. And right now, where are you with your business? Do you make enough to hire an employee or not yet?
Right now, not yet, but I'm looking. I'm thinking of hiring someone pretty soon. I already have someone in mind.
All right. Do you already know who you're gonna pay him? Is it per job, flat hourly rate?
I'll most likely be paying him by percentage, buys the service, or it really depends. Whatever. I would like to. I have like a minimum that I would like to pay him, and then there's really no maximum. This is like.
Hey Tony, but we forgot one, man. What is it?
The full interior detail.
How much is that?
So our full interior detail, it used to start at $250, but now we bumped it up to $400. So the starting price is $400 now. However, if the vehicle is brand new or in very good condition and they want a full interior detail, we can still honor the $250 price. But if it's pretty dirty, pretty messed up, needs the full works for the full interior, then we'll be starting that at $400 now. And that way, we don't have to worry about time frames and stuff. We'll just take us all day pretty much on it and get it done. Get it looking as best as possible.
So, you mentioned time frames.
Mm-hmm.
You have an idea of how long a car should take you? Do you usually hit those, or does it go over most of the time?
So what I try to do is make a bare minimum of $50 an hour by myself. So for example, the full details, for full interior details, we're starting at $250. So that would give me a maximum of 5 hours to work on that full interior. But if a car needed more than those 5 hours, it'd be just cutting down. So now that we're starting at $400, we can take up to like 8 hours on the vehicle, and that should be plenty of time to get it looking as brand new as possible. So that way it doesn't take as much of a toll on me and my business. All right, so you guys have it. Those are my new updated pricing for 2022. Make sure you guys let me know down in the comments down below if you guys are gonna update your prices or if you guys are gonna leave them the same. And if you guys like this type of detailing content, make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.